Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about using Taylor Resolute for both moisture and sound control. It's a really simple step. It doesn't take a special trowel or anything like that. It goes down very easily. The most important thing you have to remember when you're using Taylor Resolute for moisture control is that the substrate has to be properly prepared. That means it has to be completely free of contamination. If there's old adhesive residue, sealers, primers, paint overspray, texture overspray, anything like that has to be removed, and the substrate has to be porous per ASTM F3191. We also want it to have a minimum CSP of 1. That would be similar to an acid etched substrate. So it makes it really simple and easy. If you have to do any leveling or prep to flatten the substrate, you want to use a Portland base patch that would be moisture resistant, so we don't have to worry about it degrading from moisture. So we're actually going to show you how we're going to do this. Ray's going to come up, we're going to spread some adhesive, and we're going to show you how the product goes down. It goes down very simply and easily. Now, as you can see, Taylor Resolute is a white adhesive. Goes down simply. It is 100% solids and it's moisture cured. So moisture is the actifier that makes the product work. Now for today's demonstration, we're applying it on a Lexan panel, so that way you're able to see exactly how it gets that coverage from below. As he trowels it, you'll watch and you'll be able to see the trowel ridges start to dissipate and fill in. Now you do not have to wait for those to fill in before you start placing your planks onto the adhesive. And then once they're in place, you want to roll them. We recommend having a Crane 333 hand roller like this available. What that does is allows you to control the pressure you put onto it so you don't bleed adhesive up in the joints, because this is a wet set only adhesive. And that way you can monitor that pressure. Also, rolling it like that will make certain that you get that 100% coverage that you need to have. It has to have 100% coverage both on the substrate and to the back of the plank to provide moisture protection. Any voids would be a point where moisture could allow to come up. So as you spread the adhesive, make certain that you get 100% coverage on the substrate. Missing in any areas, you really want to come back. You want to fill those in with adhesive to make certain that you got proper coverage. Now another thing, since Taylor Resolute is a moisture cured product, you want to put your lid back on the pail in between uses, or if it's going to be open for a longer period of time to prevent moisture intrusion. If moisture gets into the pail, what will end up happening is you'll get a skin over it. That's not a calamity, because you can actually pull that skin back out and use the material below it, because basically it will seal itself in. Now Ray's setting his planks into place. Obviously this is just for demonstration, so we're not staggering our planks. You'll get those into place. Try not to push them together, because what will end up happening is you'll push adhesive up in the joint. If you get adhesive in the joint like that, what you can do is you can come back and clean it up very easily with just simple denatured alcohol or mineral spirits. I recommend removing it after the adhesive is dry. It's actually easier to remove it. Now when you roll it, your initial roll can be done with a Crane 333 or a similar roller. It's just a hand roller. And what that does is it allows you to regulate your pressure so you don't bleed adhesive up in your joints. The beauty of this is it's a one-step application. It gives you moisture control and sound control, so you're going to actually save time, you're going to save money, and we do not require moisture testing with Resolute because it is a 100% moisture control product. Taylor Resolute can be used in a variety of high-stress applications, including on the exterior applications like on the decks of a cruise ship for woven vinyl. It can be used in hospitals, under hospital beds, in real high-traffic areas. The beauty of Taylor Resolute is it gives you moisture control, sound control, and adhesive all in one step, which is amazing for this product. So remember, next time you need moisture control or sound control without limits, you can use Taylor Resolute. And at Taylor, we're with you every step.